The 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, third row seat, keyless entry, power liftgate, navigation system, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, universal garage door opener, auto-off headlights, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.